Alright, this is how you're going to take a screenshot of your SketchUp work. So super easy. Get your SketchUp file open. Go down to the bottom left hand corner where it says type here to search. And type snipping tool, S-N-I-P-P. And then it should pop up right here, snipping tool. Click new. And then highlight what you want to take a screenshot of. If you mess up, just click new again. And then just retrace whatever you want to take a screenshot of. When you're done with that, click File, Save As, and you want to save it to your pictures. So go to Pictures and change the file name. Save it. Go over to Edmodo. Click on the picture of the Earth. That's the link to the Padlet page. It will pop up with this page right here. And you want to, right here where it says post a screenshot of your pollution-eating robot, click the plus sign. You're going to put your name and class period. And if you want to put a quick description about it, you can. And then you can press this upload button. Click pick a file. And then click pictures. And then you should be able to find the one that you just had. Robots with trash. Open it. Give it a second to upload. And there it is. When you're done with it, click off to the side and it automatically saves for you. And that is about it.